Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, today's topic is very special. Many learners ask one question again and again.
Yes, they ask, how can I speak English fluently and confidently? Paul, have you felt this problem before?
Of course, I feel the same sometimes. When I was learning, I felt shy and scared to make mistakes.
That's true. Fear stops many people. They know words, but they don't speak.
Exactly. But friends, speaking English is like learning to walk. You fall, but you learn.
Nice example, Paul. So today, let's talk step by step.
Step 1 is simple. Listen every day. Listen to English videos, songs, or short talks.
Yes. When you listen more, your brain learns the sound of English. Slowly, it feels natural.
Step 2 is speaking small. You don't need long sentences.
That's right. Say simple lines like, I am happy, or I like this. Small steps matter.
Step 3 is practice daily. Even 5 minutes is enough.
I agree. Consistency is more important than speed. Speak a little, but speak every day.
Another important step is not being afraid of mistakes.
That's very important. Mistakes mean you are learning. Perfect English is not the goal. Clear English is.
Also, think in English. Don't translate every word from your language.
Yes, start with easy thoughts. For example, I am eating, I am working, I am learning English.
Confidence comes when you accept yourself.
So, friends, remember this lesson. Fluency is not magic. It is a habit.
That's true. Small daily effort can change your life.
Believe in yourself, speak slowly, speak clearly, and never give up.
We believe in you. You can speak English confidently, step by step.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also, like my video and leave a comment what you learn from this video.